ladies and gentlemen. In just about 40 hours from now, the fate of Bihar will be unlocked. After a historic turnout and a record-breaking wave of women voters, every party, every pundit, every pollster is now trying to decode the impact. As EVMs get sealed, the calculators have come out, the electors have spoken, and now it's time for the pollsters to perform. This is the moment when numbers collide with narratives. The first tranche of exit polls predicted a clear NDA comeback, but tonight we have 3 new surveys and they could change the entire conversation. Before we show you the numbers, listen in to how the opposition is already spinning their own story. Tejasvi Yadav calls the exit poll BJP sponsored. But his ally, the Congress, seems to see the writing on the wall, while Digvijay Singh is polishing his EVM manipulation excuse. Congress MP Manoj Kumar has already admitted his party may not do well. Well, here are the final poll of poll predictions, including the fresh data released by Axis My India, CNX and today's Chanakya. But Axis My India making it closer than what JVC you had predicted. Joining me tonight is Pradeep Gupta, CMD of Axis My India, JVC Shriram with me, Anand Ranganathan, Gaurav Bhatia, Nikhil Jain and Priyanka Bharti joining the debate from the RJD. Pradeep Gupta, to you first. Closer than other polls showed yesterday, but Tejasvi Yadav says he's sweeping, and these polls are all BJP sponsored, because even you are showing BJP, possibly BJP NDA government.
I would only say that thanks to his opinion, and what else I can say. Whatever he says, whatever he feels right. As far as Axis My India goes, till today we have done about 80 polls and accurately called 74. Now one has to see the track record and accordingly believe it or not. You know, it's depend and see purely you are and your viewers' prerogative to see. Now coming to why our poll is close comparing the other polls, I would say there are 2 very important demography at play. One is, as usual, always, which is the woman voter, which represent about contribute about 50% of the total chunk. And the second one is youth vote. When you say youth, we'll have to divide in multiple age groups and see to it how they are voting, at least in our poll. So when it comes to Bihar, in the age group of 18 to 39, there are this age group contributes 50% of total electors in Bihar, 18 to 39. But 18 to 29 contributes 24%. In these 24%, Mahagathbandhan is getting a good decisive age at the lead, 37 to NDA versus 44 approximately to Gathbandhan. In case of another segment, which is 20 to 20, which is 30 to 39 years of age, which contribute about 26% of the total voter in Bihar, their NDA have the slender age of 1.43 to NDA 42 to rest all 40 plus age group. NDA is having the decisive lead of 45 to 41, one age group 46 to 38, 49 to, and this is the precisely reason why our poll is closer than others, I would say. And the second
more
thing is
conservative. But is the story that your poll is closer, is the story once again about Rahul Gandhi pulling down Tejasvi Yadav, or is it different this time around?
I think this time also any poll outcome to our study suggests is first and foremost is the performance of the incumbent government, how they have performed in last 5 years in particular, and people see and evaluate before casting their vote for this time. So it is a pro-incumbency in favor of Nitish Kumar combined with Prime Minister Modi because the larger section of society, particularly female, has been the beneficiary of various social welfare schemes of central government. Though Nitish Kumar has been seen very pro this thing among the women, but this time this is clubbed together, resulting into this whatever turning out to be the result. The only factor again I'm emphasis on is the youth factor. There one chunk which is less than 30 years of age is voting other way around, and they feel there is a fatigue factor.
Well, प्रियंका भारती, अब बीजेपी स्पॉन्सर्ड है, सारे के सारे इतना स्पॉन्सरशिप किसको मिल रहा है मुझे नहीं पता, पर एक तरफ तेजस्वी जी कह रहे हैं कि हम स्वीप करने वाले हैं, दूसरी तरफ पोल नहीं पसंद आ रहे हैं, राहुल गांधी कह रहे हैं एग्जिट पोल अच्छे हैं, अभी उन्होंने वोट चोरी में कहा एग्जिट पोल बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, और एग्जिट पोल कुछ बता रहे थे हरियाणा में, हुआ कुछ और ही। सच क्या है?
सच ये है कि पीएम केयर फंड में जब आप खूब सारा उगाही करते हैं धन का, जनता को बेवकूफ बना के, तो फंडिंग तो बहुत लोगों को कर ही ना सकते हैं, चाहे वो प्रदीप जी को फंडिंग करें या किसी और को करें, इट डजंट मैटर फॉर अस, whatever you show, it doesn't matter, because this was the same Pradeep Gupta, no, who showed 370 seats last time in Lok Sabha elections. This was same Pradeep Gupta who showed that.
Well, let's not get personal. Let's not get personal, but the fact is you get some right, you get some wrong, but all of them are in the same direction, and today Pradeep Gupta is the most conservative of them. Gaurav Bhatia, my question to you is, अगर पसंद आ जाए एग्जिट पोल्स तो हमारे, नहीं तो बीजेपी के स्पॉन्सर्ड, इज दैट अ राइट एनालिसिस?
See, the first comment coming from the RJD spokesperson itself refutes what Rahul Gandhi said. You very rightly pointed out. His press conference just a few days back, he had relied on the exit polls to say Congress was winning the Haryana elections. So this is the kind of disturbance and confusion that you see in the Mahatagabandhan. But one thing stands out, going by all the exit polls so far, that Narendra Modi ji's magic is intact and Rahul Gandhi is only subtract. If Rahul Gandhi is there, then he has to subtract the number of seats, and Narendra Modi ji and Nitish Kumar ji form a formidable team. 17 exit polls, Navika, all pointing towards one thing, that people of Bihar want progressive politics of development, clean politics. क्या हो गया?
कम्युनल पॉलिटिक्स,
अच्छा, अभी तो बरनौल दो,
that is your politics, and here I am talking about jobs, unemployment, poverty,
प्रियंका भारती जी, the campaign is over, the votes have been polled. अभी कुछ भी बोलने से वो बदलने वाला नहीं है, but JVC important point Pradeep Gupta makes is that there is a little bit of a divide. The youth below 30 years fatigued with Nitish Kumar, seen him for 20 years, probably not even aware of what he stands for, but whereas the women and the older sections in favor of
absolutely NDA. Agree. In fact, yesterday also I had said that, you know, people up to 27 years old, both men and women, boys and girls, are preferring RJD and Mahagathbandhan over NDA. Now it could be they may have a 3-4% lead in terms of supporting Mahagathbandhan. That's basically because of the promise given by Tejasvi in terms of job. That's one. Number two, those were the people who were with Jan Swaraj Party probably a week or 10 days back. The moment Prashant Kishore decided that he is not going to fight the election, I think his campaign crumbled. And that youth section, which was probably backing Prashant Kishore, found these promises given by Tejasvi Yadav attractive and came there.
Well, Nikhil Jain, once again Rahul Gandhi is getting ready now to blame वोट चोरी, ईवीएम्स. आप लोग पार्टी में डिसाइड करते हैं किसको ब्लेम करना है? बिकॉज दिग्विजय Singh is looking at the EVM story. Rahul Gandhi is talking about the vote chori story. Which one is it going to be? Because some leaders, Manoj Kumar in Bihar, are saying we have not done well. And of course, a senior leader has even left the party today because he's disgusted.
Navika, you can't for the BJP have a chit bhi meri, pat bhi meri. If the opposition says after winning a particular election that we still do not trust the process, you have a problem with that. If they say after losing an election that there was a problem, you have a problem with that. If they say before the elections that there was a problem in the there is a problem in the process, you have a problem with that. What do you want? Do you want the opposition to just sit?
I don't want anything. You do what you want. You.
कांग्रेस के प्रवक्ता सारे गायब कहाँ हो गए थे एग्जिट पोल
What do
वाले?
you want?
सर
The results have not been announced.
गौरव भाटिया, आप जानते तो हैं मैं बैंड हूँ बाय कांग्रेस, आप जानते तो हैं.
Is extremely questionable.
Not just you. All
Mr. Bhatia, I wasn't interjecting when you were speaking. Can you please extend the change?
You know, Nikhil Jain, I don't want you to decide anything. You can say whatever, whenever. I'm only saying, अगर uniformity हो within the party अच्छा लगेगा, we'll also be able to pick up the thought. But Anand Ranganathan, somebody in Congress is blaming the EVM, somebody blaming vote chori, and somebody saying we have performed badly. Which one in the multiple choice questions will you choose?
नहीं देखिए निखिल प्लीज निखिल दिस इज वेरी आई डोंट नो व्हाई यू दिस इज अ रीसेंट ट्रेंड you started interrupting you never used to do that.
He's below 30, very vociferous.
I mean this is not what I expect from Gen Z, maybe Gen Z, but Gen Z have to be a little bit more. No, but Navika, look, Nikhil is saying, Navika, you have a problem with this, you have a problem with this. Well, it's like saying, Nikhil saying, Navika, if we lie, you have a problem with that. If we spread fake narrative, you have a problem with that. If you are illogical, you have a problem with that. If we are irrational, you have a problem with that. If we hate Hindus in India, we have a problem with that. You start telling the truth, we will have no problem with it.
You know, I only want to say one thing, that there is no truth today. Today we have polls. Access My India, Pradeep Gupta with us, appreciate his being here, but he has given numbers that are more conservative than the other polls. Truth will only be known 36 hours from now, when the counting of the first vote begins, when the first EVM is opened up there. Tab tak, sab raja hain. Everybody can claim to be winning, but we are going to wait for the final numbers, the real numbers, when they come. Till then, we are going to examine what can happen, what can't happen. As a journalist, it's exciting. I'm sure Pradeep Gupta ji, it's exciting as a pollster also, कि ये number सही होंगे कि नहीं, जनता ने क्या कहा है, क्या हमारा analysis कहाँ सही है. This is a scientific, this is also a political analysis exercise. We'll wait, we'll watch. Till then, Priyanka Bharti ji, आप आज भी हमारे लिए उतनी ही स्माइलिंग, उतनी ही अच्छी हैं जितनी परसों 14 तारीख के बाद होंगी. बस आगे आगे देखिए होता है क्या. Thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night, be safe. I'll be back tomorrow. Yes, with another News Hour at Mark.